Hey, have you ever found yourself buried in textbooks, running on caffeine, and surviving instant noodles? Trust me, I've been there too. But guess what? It's time to break free from the unhealthy eating cycle and give your body the nourishment it deserves. First of all, subscribe to our channel now. More awesome content is coming for you. Back to the video. Now, let's dive into 5 practical solutions to help you eat healthy even as a busy student. Plan ahead. Planning your meals and snacks is key to maintaining a healthy diet, especially when you're juggling classes, assignments, and extracurricular activities. Dedicate a few minutes each week to create a meal plan that includes balanced options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Consider incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By having a plan in place, you'll be less likely to reach for convenient but less nutritious options when hunger strikes. Quick and easy prep. When time is of the essence, opt for recipes that are simple and require minimal cooking time. Overnight oats, for example, can be prepared the night before and customized with your favorite toppings for a satisfying breakfast. Smoothie bowls are another quick and easy option that can be packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein sources like yogurt or protein powder. Additionally, consider pre-cutting vegetables and portioning out healthy snacks like nuts or trail mix to have on hand throughout the week. Pack your lunch. Packing your lunch not only allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, but also helps you save money in the long run. When preparing your lunch, aim to include a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and vegetables to keep you feeling satisfied and energized until your next meal. Whole grain wraps or sandwiches filled with lean protein sources like turkey or grilled chicken, along with plenty of colorful veggies, make for a nutritious and convenient option. Don't forget to add a piece of fruit or a serving of Greek yogurt for added nutrients and flavor. Snack smart. Healthy snacks play a crucial role in maintaining energy levels and preventing midday slumps. Keep a stash of portable snacks on hand to curb cravings and provide a quick boost of nutrition between meals. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of protein and healthy fats, while fresh fruit provides a natural source of sweetness and hydration. Greek yogurt cups or cheese sticks are convenient options that offer calcium and protein to keep you feeling full and focused. By choosing nutrient-dense snacks, you'll fuel your body with the sustenance it needs to power through busy days. Stay hydrated. Hydration is essential for overall health and well-being, yet it's often overlooked, especially during hectic schedules. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and aim to drink water consistently to stay hydrated. If plain water doesn't appeal to you, infuse it with slices of citrus fruit or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Herbal teas and sparkling water are also great alternatives to keep hydration interesting. Remember, staying hydrated helps support cognitive function, regulate body temperature, and flush out toxins, ultimately contributing to your overall health and productivity as a busy student. Remember, taking care of your body is not just about physical health, it's about self-love and overall well-being. By making small changes to your eating habits, you're investing in a brighter, healthier future. Now, if you think you are an introverted person, you should watch this video.